Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you Zapier versus Make.com review, which is better for automations. So let's get started. So here we are in Zapier. So to get started, if you're just starting out with automation, Zapier is likely the best option. It's easier and simpler to get started, allowing you to quickly build your first automation by connecting one tool to another. Zapier was the first no-code automation tool on the market, and it has the largest portfolio of connected apps. If you're using a popular tool for your company, then there's a good chance that it connects directly with Zapier without needing API documentation. Now, on the other hand, Make.com right here is slightly more complex but offers powerful capabilities. It's not as user-friendly for beginners, but once you get the hang of it, you can definitely create more intricate automations. Now, in terms of advanced automation, Zapier is great for basic and intermediate automations. It's very straightforward to use, but has limitations when it comes to complex workflows. It's best suited for simpler linear processes. Now, Make.com, if you're looking to take your automation to the next level, build more complex automation, Make.com is definitely the way to go. Make.com allows for very complex automations with numerous modules, each representing a connection or action. You can create automations with hundreds or even thousands of actions in a single scenario. And that is something that you can do with Zapier, and Make.com also makes it easier to connect APIs, webhooks, and any third-party apps, making it ideal for advanced automation. And now let's go with the app integration. So with Zapier, it boasts the largest portfolio of connected apps, making it highly likely that any tool you use will connect seamlessly. This vast array of integration is one of Zapier's strongest points. And now on Make.com, as you can see right here, while it has fewer integrations compared to Zapier, it still supports a substantial number of apps and provides robust support for API and webhook connections, allowing for a high degree of customization. Alright, so now let's go for the user interface. So for Zapier, it is known for its clean and user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to create and manage workflows without much technical knowledge. And for Make.com, this interface is designed for building more complex automations, so it can be more intimidating at first, but it provides a visual representation of workflows which can be helpful for managing intricate systems. Alright, so now let's go to the pricing. So here in Zapier, we have these prices. You have the free plan available for you, and same as Make.com, you also has the free plan. And if you compare the prices, Zapier is definitely more expensive. So the cost can add up quickly if you need to perform a high volume of tasks or complex workflows with Zapier. And with Make.com is another advantage of Make.com is its cost. So Make.com is cheaper than Zapier, as you can see, and it's offering also a free plan and more affordable option as you scale your automations. This makes it a better option for users who need to run a large number of operations without breaking the bank. So in terms of prices, it's pretty much subjective on which one would fit better for you, but if you're looking for a cheaper one, then Make.com is definitely the way to go. Alright, so now in conclusion, Zapier is definitely ideal for beginners, those needing to automate simpler tasks. It's easy to use and support a wide range of apps. And Make.com is perfect for those advanced users who require complex workflows and extensive customization. It's also more cost-effective and better suited for intricate tasks. So I hope this video helped you in understanding the main differences between Zapier and Make.com. Of course, there are many more aspects to consider, but this should give you a clear idea of which tool you should choose for your automation needs. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.